Good morning. Good morning. Good morning for the Monday morning. So it's Mr. Henley Clement here for your year 7, week 6, science revision 1. Congratulations for you have followed this session until the revision 1. Okay. Thank you for joining us for the whole month. Okay, and now is the time for you to try to test your knowledge. Okay, and you may download this from our Facebook page later. Okay, so I will upload this one to our Facebook page, and you may download that and try. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start. Okay, so today I'm using the iPad note again. Okay, so comment and let me know that whether you like this format or my paper-based handwriting. Okay, can you still hear me? Okay, can you hear me? Yes, huh? Okay, thank you very much. So today we are going to do this science revision. Okay, and this is the question. Okay, if you want, you may have to screenshot this one for the first page. 1, 2, 3. The second one. 1, 2, 3. The third one. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's start. On the 21st of February, 2022. Okay, number 1. An example. Oh, yeah. An example of unicellular organism is A, bacteria, B, animal, C, plant, D, fungi. An example of unicellular organism. To solve this question, you need to know what is meant by the unicellular cells. Okay, unicellular organism. Okay, so it must be a one-celled organism. So which one will be your answer? Yes, I think most of you will choose this one, which is the bacteria. Okay, allow me to change the color. Maybe a red color. Yes, this is the answer. Second, What is an organism that consists of one cell? Okay, just now I already give you the answer. So the uni means one. So the unicellular means that the organism that consists of one cell. So your answer might be A again. Okay. So the multicellular is like an organism that consists of many or multiple cells. Okay, nucleus is one part of the cell, which is an organelle. Okay. Okay, so the number 3. Okay. Let me enlarge this one. I think it's better, right? Okay, number 3. What is an organism that consists of more than one cell? That's now also give you the answer. So it's called a multicellular cell. Multicellular organism, sorry. Multicellular organism. Number 4. All living organisms are made up of number 4A, one or more cells. One or more cells. B, eukaryotic cells. C, prokaryotic cells. D, bacteria. So you may look to your books to find the meaning of eukaryotic cells. You may look through your notes for the prokaryotic cells, or maybe the meaning of the bacteria. And go back to the books that find out all living organisms. So from A, B, C, D, you need to choose in between, to choose one. Which one do you think so? This is Mr. Henry Clement for your revision. We have studied about 5 weeks. So this is a small checkpoint that to help us to know, to do a self-test, self-diagnostic test to see whether we actually remember what we have learned for past few weeks. So is all the living organisms made up of eukaryotic cells, prokaryotic cell, bacteria? I don't think you will choose the answer, right? So for us, our answer may be one or more cell. That means that this one cell is for the unicellular, whether this more is for the multicellular. Okay. Okay, and then we go to the number of questions. Oh, sorry. Question 5 says that the picture is this picture is a good example of, can you see this is a bean sprout that go to a small trees. The sprout go to a small tree. So this is a picture of a good example of growth, membrane, cell, or nourishing. Nourishing means eating something, right? Nutrition. So does it mean nutrition? Eating something, feeding on others? Or does it mean this is a membrane? Or do you think this is a cell? I think the best example, this picture best shows us about the characteristic of human of living thing of growth. Or this shows us the growth of the small plants, right? Okay. Number 6, I think you can see this one. This is eggs become a tadpole, and then the tadpole later become a frog, adult frog. Okay, so this picture is a good example of. Do you think this is A, excretion? The students still remember what excretion is? Is this something to describe membrane or cell or development? Okay, in our syllabus, in the books, it doesn't part. But this is an important part of this syllabus. That's why I'm putting in this question. So we call it, this is the cell, okay, which develops into other cell, okay. So, and this is the egg, okay, and developed into the tadpole later, tadpole with legs, and then a young flock and an adult flock, okay. So the answer for this one is development. Okay, so next question. I give you this beautiful picture. Okay, thanks to the technology, we have followed this one from online. Okay, so responding to changes helps an organism to survive, which are a response to change in an environment. There are two correct answers here. Okay, number 1. A cell reproduces asexually. A cell reproduces asexually. Does it mean that this is a response to the change of environment? Because the environment changed, then the cell now previously were sexually reproduced, now they can reproduce asexually. Is that because the condition become worse? Human being can reproduce asexually, or maybe dinosaur, or maybe just a white rhinoceros. Number B, you get hot and sweat. Okay, when the day is hot, the summer is coming, so you get hot and you are sweating. Okay, do you think this is your response to the changes in the environment? A cell only grows in a certain environment. C. Okay, that means that is this the response to the environment as well? A cell only grows in a certain environment. Number D, hummingbirds migrate to the south for the winter. Okay, hummingbirds, okay, they migrate. So I think we'll get the answer, which is the B and D. Okay, let's go to number 8. This muscle tissue is only found in heart. Okay, we have skeletal, smooth muscle, and cardiac. Okay. Okay, you may turn the page to the books, which is the heart. Okay, then you try to find the answer for the heart tissue. Is it skeletal, smooth, or cardiac? This tissue wound fatigue. Okay, so the answer will be cardiac. Next one. Okay, I give you around 1 minute, okay, so that you may try Okay, these three questions. Okay, 9, 10, and 11. What are the 4 main tissues found in the body? You have A, B, C for you to choose. What is the correct order of organizations of organisms? I give you another 3 for you to choose. What organ system includes muscle in arms and legs? Okay, I'd like you to choose this as well. So, number 9, number 10, and 11. What's your answer? Please circle first. Then only I will show you the answer. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's come back. Okay, what are the 4 main tissues found in the body? I think the answer is here, right? Okay, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue. Okay, so the answer will be which one? Bone? Oh, no, this is not. Okay. Blood? Yeah, the answer will be C, nervous, muscle, connective, and epithelial. Okay, number 10. What is the correct order of organization? Oh, there's an answer here, so in the very small one. Let me enlarge it for you. Starting from cell, tissue. Okay, same identical cell will make tissue, and then the tissue will make an organ. They join together to become organ systems, and then finally an organism. Okay. So starting from cell, tissue, organ system, and organism. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Number 11. What organ system include muscle in arm and legs? Okay, muscle. So you must know the word muscle is the same word with the muscular. The circulatory is for the heart. Then the vessel, yes. Respiratory is from lung until the direction that release the energy in every part of our body. Excretion is carried or something. Number 12. What do tissues form? The tissue forms, yeah, so the answer is there. Okay, the cell, and then you have tissue. In tissue you have organ, then you have organ system, finally an organism. So the answer is around here. So the answer is organ. Okay, the basic unit of life is, yeah, just now the answer. The basic unit of life is this one, cell. Okay, so can you find the cell? Yes, this is the answer. Cell. Okay, it's not about molecule, atom, and organelle. So this is Mr. Henry Clement. If you like us, please always let us know so that you can motivate us. Some complete notes and tuition Facebooks. You can check through Henry Clement or Dear Friend Clever Notes. Okay. Which of the following is an example of a harmful microorganism. Fungi used as antibiotics. Okay. In UK, I think we call it the fungi. Fungi. Okay. Yeah, antibiotic is good, right? You can make some medicine so that it can help us. Okay. Number 2. So this is to find a harmful one. Harmful. Okay. So E. coli on food that make people sick. Yeah, this is harmful. So this should be the answer, right? Bacteria found in yogurt. Yogurt is good. I like yogurt. Do you like it? Microorganism that decay dead body. You may say, yeah, decay, teacher. Do you think decay is good? So our thing will decay fast, right? Oh, however, can you see this one? This is a dead body. So this body is a helper to have our carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle. So the answer will be B. Yeah? Okay, I think this is last 2 questions already. Okay, which of the statement is true? All organisms are bad. Oh, all. Can you see everything? Bad. All bad. Or B, all organisms are good. They are all good. Some organisms are harmful, while some can be helpful. Yes, I think this is true, right? Some are good, some are bad. Okay. So microorganisms are too small to do anything helpful to human being. Too small doesn't mean that they are useless, right? Okay. We use this one to brew the beer, alcohol. We use this one to make cheese, for bread, baking, and a lot of other things. Huh? The last one. Okay. The study of the interaction between the organisms, this is animals and plants, and their environment. This is environment. Environment. So we may touch this one as a abiotic and biotic factors. Abiotic and biotic factors. Okay. So to study this topic, we need to know about the interaction. How they interact. The interaction between the organism and the environment. Environment will be like such as habitat. Okay. Temperature. Okay. Weather. Sorry. Okay. So is it about biology? Sociology. Sociology is a interaction between human, right? Geology and ecology. So the answer for this one will be ecology, right? So I hope you enjoy today's session. This is Mr. Henry Clement. Okay, more exercise is available on Facebook under the name of the Diophon Colorful Notes. And some tuition are available. Okay, so this is the class that help us to learn through better. So always review by yourself. You may download some exercise from the net. You can buy some books, okay? Because practice makes perfect. Okay, this is Mr. Henry Clement here for you. So, and I hope you enjoy this class, okay? And see you later on 10 a.m. for the math. Today we will be learning about length, mass, and capacity. I hope you enjoy this class. Thank you for watching. Bye.